A friend from Brazil showed me this video, and I couldn't help but say, wow, I have to share this with everyone. Brazil is famous for football, but on another level, it's also known for intense police chases through crowded streets. The usual suspects, young riders speeding through traffic at breakneck speed. On the other side, the police, highly skilled and relentless, stay right on their tail, leaving no room for escape. This video captures one of those heart-pounding pursuits. Take a look at his jersey. Seems like he's a Messi fan. The way he weaves through traffic, dodging obstacles, is almost like Messi dribbling past defenders. The only difference? He's not playing a game. He's breaking the law and doing everything he can to escape. The roads are full of sharp turns, yet the suspect maneuvers through them effortlessly, proving he's no rookie. Maybe he's outrun the police before, which would explain his confidence this time.
Vamos ver onde você vai, vamos ver, vamos ver. Põe a porra da mão na cabeça, viado. Vem cá, vem cá, vem cá, vem cá, vem cá, vem cá, vem cá.
In the end, the chase comes to a close. We don't know what crime he committed, but one thing's for sure. He should have been playing football instead of running from the law on the streets. Next, we have another high-speed chase through the streets of Brazil. For the next 8 minutes, you won't be able to look away. The roads are getting more dangerous, vehicles are pushing their limits, and the suspects are doing everything they can to escape the police. If Fast and Furious is gearing up for its 11th installment, this could easily be used as a teaser trailer. Most people think these pursuits are dangerous because of the high speeds, but it's the narrow streets and blind corners that make them truly life-threatening. A sharp turn reveals oncoming traffic out of nowhere, and the way this suspect dodges vehicles shows just how fast he's going. The moment he hits a straight road, he instantly accelerates. A motorcycle like this can reach 60 miles per hour, and if he loses control, any innocent bystander could be at risk. Hopefully, no one gets hurt in this chase. At one point, his bike wobbles, and for a second, it looks like he's about to wipe out, but somehow he manages to stay on and keep running. The roaring wind, blaring sirens, and revving engines only add to the tension.
Parou a graça? Parou o show agora, mano? É isso mesmo? Parou o show, tio?
But in the end, persistence wins. The suspect is finally caught without further incident. We're working with industry professionals to bring these clips to top screenwriters. Who knows, maybe one day we'll see a full-length movie about motorcycle chases. It would be a mistake to show you daytime police chases without also diving into the adrenaline-pumping pursuits that happen at night in Brazil. The intensity of nighttime chases is doubled, as suspects can use the darkness and hidden alleyways to escape. This video will show just how dangerous and nerve-wracking these narrow street chases can be. The officers stay right on the suspect's tail, but still struggle to bring him to a stop. In Brazil, police rely on high-performance motorcycles for pursuits. Imagine if they were using patrol cars. They would have lost him long ago. This also proves just how skilled these officers are, maneuvering through every twist and turn without losing sight of their target.
Voltou o quê? Aí voltou o quê?
The suspect weaves through traffic, darts into Brazil's tight alleyways, then floors it the moment he hits a straight road. These reckless moves must be stopped, and the police know exactly what to do. A precise impact brings the chase to an end. I have no doubt these suspects are about to face a long list of charges. This was a pursuit so intense that, as Chief Newdigate put it, In over 30 years of policing, I have never seen anything like this. Let me break it down for you. The Ohio State Highway Patrol received a call at 1:30 p.m. about a reckless driver on E75. But this wasn't just any reckless driver. The man behind the wheel of this massive semi-truck had allegedly assaulted his wife and taken her hostage while fleeing from the police. The chase led officers through Cincinnati onto I-71 and then I-275, with dozens of patrol units in pursuit. But stopping a semi-truck isn't as simple as a typical traffic stop. Officers had to stay close, continuously communicating with the suspect, trying to bring the dangerous situation to an end.
Northbound side of 275 is now northbound, approaching the 52 exit. Fall back a little bit.
At one point, the driver unhitched his trailer and sped off, pushing the truck to a shocking 80 miles per hour. A semi-truck at that speed could cause unimaginable destruction, making the situation even more critical. To make matters worse, police received word that the suspect's wife had suffered a broken leg and was pleading for help from inside the vehicle.
What's coming up 68-4?
After careful planning, an officer made a precise shot with a rifle, disabling the truck's engine and forcing it to stop. Moments later, the driver finally released his wife, and officers rushed in to rescue her, immediately transporting her to the hospital for treatment. While reports are still being finalized, one thing is certain: this suspect is facing a long list of serious charges. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.